How to fix Cash App withdrawal cancelled for your protection. So you might be in the position where you are in the Cash App and trying to withdraw, but it lands you on the interface which says that the withdrawal has been cancelled for your protection. If you want to fix this issue, then what you want to do is, the very first step is to verify your identity. Open the Cash App and then head over to profile icon. Move into personal. Complete the verification with your full name, date of birth, and SSN number. Once done, the next thing you want to do is review the cancelled withdrawal. Tap the Activity tab, find the cancelled withdrawal, and then click to read the full error message. Sometimes it includes next step or options. After that, the next thing you want to try doing is withdraw the smaller amount. Try withdrawing smaller amounts. Once you are done, now the next thing you need to make sure is that the VPN on your device is not connected. In order to check it out, head over to Settings. Make sure that this VPN is turned off. So that's a wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.